paint's finally dried on the bead lock ring. Gonna set myself up a little station, garbage can, 5 gallon to sit up. Gone through with my 24 new bolts I got from Method. Got anti-seize on them. And here's the box that I got from Method. No, there's 36 in there. There's only 24. When I was looking on Method's website, the price for 24 was the same as the price for 36, so that was kind of a no-brainer. Ordered 36. It's enough for 4 wheels, and I'm only doing 2 and spares. But yeah, these were a couple years old, and you see how far they got to get crunched down too. So it's going to be put them all in, slight snug, start working a crisscross all the way around, slowly but surely, and then eventually I might start doing a little bit of a circular, but initially crisscross, get it all nice and even. I've done this on that tire once when I had to change the TPMS sensor, so that was the first time I messed with the bead locks, so came out fine. Off we go, one by one. Just get yourself a comfy workstation. Alright, so I'm getting there. Most that's about out. So I just started with a plus, so top, bottom, left, right. Snugged them, just using a hand driver. Then I did split the difference and did a crisscross, that one, and this one, the hand driver, and then I went back through with the snubby. Just did a quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn. Once I got tighter, I went to that one. Quarter, 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 quarter. Kind of just top, bottom, left, right, criss-cross, criss-cross. Then I broke out the torque wrench. I went same patterns, 15, same patterns, 20. So I'm going to stop there, get all the rest of them in, and then I'll just start working them. I'll probably go right to 25 where they need to be. Well, instead of using the garage compressor and tank, I thought I'd see if the bead would seat. I think it's actually going on. Just started it. I think it's because I've had it sitting here on this bucket for a while in the soapy water. Let's look. Well, it's showing there's 7 psi in that tire. Gonna be a lot faster using the house compressor, but I think it's just the soap and water and sitting on a bucket. It actually created a seal, and it's allowing air to go in it. Now I have to sit back and wait for that bead to pop and see how high I jump. I'm going to put back through the torque wrench, 15 psi or 15 pounds foot-pounds, 20 foot-pounds. Put the remaining bolts in, use the impact just to snug them. Went back through with a smaller ratchet and then switched to the torque wrench, got all of them at 20, and went back through with a final of 25. Looks good to me. Matter of getting this thing bead popped on. Pulling the weights off, because obviously the weights that are on there are going to be wrong. Pull the weights off, do another tire, and make it somewhere to get them balanced eventually. They're going to be on the back, so I'm not going to notice them being out of balance too much back there. Well, there she be, my first tire change. I want to say basic garage tools. 5 gallon bucket was key for it to sit on and for me to sit on, because a lot of messing around with these bolts around and around and crisscross and getting the torque just right. We're all at 25 psi. No big pop when the inside bead set. Maybe soap and water and it just sitting here, but I was like, it's been going for a while, let me check it. And I stopped at 37 psi, looked, and inside bead was set. Dropped them back down to 28. So that goes back there. It's my spare. That one doesn't have the apex valve on it or TPMS on that one. So I'm going to go back to spare duty. And then the other 3, I'm just going to figure out which one has the worst looking marks on it. It's not the back right, unfortunately, but I think I'm going to look around inside and outside and see which tire looks the worst. I'm not concerned if the left side, right side, front, or back. They're mud trains, and it's a Jeep. It doesn't drive that great anyways, till it hits dirt. So I'm not going to be finicky. Just whatever looks worse is going to get changed for my other new tire, and it'll be put back there. But I ain't going to say how long I've been doing this. It took a while. Of course, I had to wait an hour or some for this paint to dry because I repainted this bead lock ring, and I had nothing else to do. So, anyways, bead lock tire change. First time, 101, between me watching videos and general mechanical knowledge, done safely.